So first of all, I'd like to thank Vinay and the whole of chat team for making this all happen, and obviously you all.
Thank you. Thank you so much for visiting us and spending some of your time for seeing our presentation.
So we have a 10-minute presentation by both of them, and then we'll move on to the question and answer round.
So our company's name is Go Dimensions, and we develop apps. And our slogan is Solutions for the Digital World. Our vision is to create simple solutions for the new complex digital world. So we develop apps. We develop apps namely in the Google Play, which is the Android platform, and the iOS, which is the Apple iPad and iPhone. So we develop mainly in the platform of games, convenience, lifestyle, and education.
So our journey. First, our dad got us a new desktop computer, and then after that we had done a little bit of paint and PowerPoint and all those stuff. Then after that we learned a little bit of QBasic. Then we did very little of Java. And after that, we made some 2-3 test apps for the Android, and we got a new MacBook Pro, and we made about quiz app and calculator app for the Android, and then after that we made about 150 test apps before releasing our first app, Catch Me Call. Our apps. So we have 4 apps already on the App Store, and our first app, Catch Me Call. So in this app, you're the notorious con who has escaped from the prison, and you have a nationwide hunt since you have stolen money from the bank. And so there is many action levels. In the first level, you are in Sahara Desert. In this, you have one cop which chases you. And so in each level you have 3 stages. One is the easy level where the cop starts to chase you a little bit slowly. Then after that the second stage is more like medium. Third it's fast. So and our second level is in Miami Beach. And our third level is in it's in a maze. So in this thrilling chase, the cop tries to chase you.
And this app was rated 4.5 out of 5 on the Apple App Store. So our second app, which is the Alphabets board, instead of kids just playing with the iPhone or fidgeting with the iPad, they can learn their letters. So we developed this app, and this app we got a really positive review. And on the App Store, this app was rated 5 on 5. So we give the pronunciation of the the letter, and we give an example for the letter too.
And our third app, it's called Prayer Plan. While we were going in the flight from India to USA, there was lots of turbulence, and we wanted to pray God. We didn't have any idol or any gadget too. So we just thought if we had made an app, it would have been so convenient for people to pray God wherever they are. So we started making this app in the flight, and so this app has been released in Boston.
And this app was rated 4 out of 5.
And in this app, we've got lots of downloads from the Gulf countries.
Cool. So our fourth app, which is Color Palette, it's for kids to learn the colors. We got a really good review for the Alphabets board. So we thought of making the Color Palette. So then in this we added lots of features, like when you're learning the colors, we added the swipe gestures, and we give the pronunciation of the color, and we give the spelling of the color too. And we also added mix, which say if you mix red and yellow, we give you orange. So we have done that, and we also assess you. So we give a color, and that is say green, And then we ask whether this is green or yellow, and then if you select the correct appropriate one, you get either a star or you don't get a star, and like accordingly we give you comments. So yeah, this is our 4th app, and yeah, these are all available on the Apple App Store, and yeah, this is all free of cost.
So our download ratio. We've got about 44% from our first app, which is called Catch Me Cop, and our second app has got more than 18% of the downloads, which is Alphabet Board, and our third app, Real Planet, has got about 22% of the download rate, and 17% has gone to our latest app, which is Color Palette. So we didn't get many downloads from Africa since there are not many Apple stores.
So the worldwide distribution. So most of our downloads come from US countries, that USA, which is all the American countries like Brazil, and but 90% of that downloads are from US, so we just named it US. And we got 17% from India, which is quite good for the number of iPhones and iPads there in India. So, and yeah.
So testimonials. This is one of the most famous websites. It is called CNET Downloads. So all the best apps on the App Store and all those stuff come on this website.
So our app was featured on this website.
So this is a very famous Korean website, so in which we have been featured on. And this is a famous Japanese website. And this is also a very famous Japanese website. It's called App and Phone. And this is a Korean website. And so yeah, so there was a company called Taomi. So before we approached media, we got a mail for a partnership from them. So they asked us can we make your app in the Chinese version, and can we make puppets? I mean plush toys of our cop and thief.
So another company from the US, San Francisco, it's called Small, and they asked for a partnership again before the media approached us. They asked us that they wanted to make Catch Me Cop and all our apps on the Android platform, but as I said, we're already developing for the Android. So when Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam came to our school, he actually, we were asked to give him the bouquet. So he went and visited our website, and then he sent us a mail on Saturday, I mean the next 2 days. And then we were really shocked. He sent us a mail, and that was one of our gladdest moments, as you can see. So our upcoming products, we are developing on a few products, that is EI5, which is an adventure kind of game, and Go-Kart is for sending templates. If you have not sent any greetings to your friend for say Christmas or Halloween, you want to send them, then you can just download our app, and then you can send templates, and then you can customize your templates and send it to them. So it's more like M cards, like mobile cards, so yeah. And our latest app, Game Thief, actually this is going to release by Monday. Or tomorrow. So we're going to show a sneak peek for the latest app.
Okay.
was the trailer, and now we're going to show the demo.
So yeah, these are the two mascots of the Olympics. And in this, we have also kept a swipe gesture for choosing the levels.
So, and there are like hurdles in this game. So like you can't go in certain parts, like say you can't go inside the green area, you can only run around the Olympic track. So if you go out, you're caught, and if the cop touches you also, you're out. So this app is also integrated for the iPad and the iPhone, so yeah.
And it's in Retina display.
Yeah.
And so if you go to the swimming pool level, you're not supposed to jump into the swimming pool, but you're supposed to run around the pathway.
So yeah, this is game 6.
So our goal is to help 15% of our profit to give it to the children around the world and for their education purposes, so that we, Go Dimensions, can make a change.
So you can ask any of your questions.
So we'll just get into the question answer now, so we can just have a seat. So I'll have a round of questions which would be related to the personal life and the professional life which we are living right now. And so how was the feelings which were there in your mind when you were planning to come down to Jaipur and have an interaction with all the audience? So what was the whole idea, that how you present yourself? That time you were nervous, or what was the thing which is going in your mind that time?
So we actually felt very happy coming all the way from Chennai to Jaipur for seeing all of these huge audiences and seeing all the how much we learned from all the other wonderful.
So how you divide the roles and responsibilities in your company? Like he is into development of apps, or you do the other thing as well. So how you divide the responsibility amongst both of you?
We both do the coding equally, but he does all the images, like he edits them, and then that's where you can see all those like cop and thief images. It's done by him.
Okay. So when we talk about creating a value and giving 15% for the benefit of children, so the upcoming motive and the whole objective is to create more money for yourself or to create value for others. What is the top priority in the next coming future?
It's not mainly for us, or it's mainly for India.
We are working like for India to become a superpower, just like US.
So, what are the specific, what's your day like how you start off and what's the broad schedule, because you go to school as well and then you come back and work. So, how you start off, like the broad agenda of your day?
So we get up late at around 7:30. Yeah. So our school's at 8:20.
Okay.
And most of the time we go late.
So they only entertain you because you're the youngest mobile app developer, or they just make you stand outside the gate?
No, it's like normally they allow us inside.
Okay. You have a good reputation over there. Yeah. And then after that?
After school ends at around 3:30, we reach home at 3:30.
Okay.
And then we start to study from 4 to 6,
Okay.
which is 2 hours. Then we program for an hour or so. Then we play most of the time.
Okay.
Or spend time with our dad.
Okay. So what are your hobbies like as of now, apart from making applications and all those stuff, and what are the other things which you do?
We like to skateboard and cycle and play badminton, and we also like studying and that.
Okay. Is a hobby studying?
Yeah, we like to read books. One of my grandfather was my dad.
So coming back to the personal aspect, what are the kind of different reactions that you get, or opinions you get from people coming in? So they just bump into you and say wow and all those stuff. So what are the two interesting or most memorable experiences which you had from coming from people's side? So someone has told you wow and all those stuff. So most interesting which you cannot forget in the rest of your life.
Actually, many people here were most interesting.
Okay. So you remember this apart from this? Yeah. Sanjay?
Also Abdul Kalam's mail when we heard Abdul Kalam with his personal email ID sending to us.
Okay.
that was
So has he
also-
congratulated you for your achievement?
Yeah.
Okay. So have you started getting the marriage proposals? Now you're established, you're settled. So in the audience, people want to know this question as well.
Not exactly.
Please. You're getting it? You're shy?
I'm sure.
So is there any specific arrangement which your school has done for you? You get a specific VIP treatment when you go to your school?
No,
or
we are just treated like the normal children. We want to be treated like the normal children. I mean,
Okay.
yeah, it's more.
So do you consider that age is a factor when you start off or when you are trying to create value for others, or when you, let's say, if you want to become an entrepreneur or you want to do something best for the society? So do you think that age plays a vital role? That if you are older, so you create more value? Is that the case?
Not exactly. Actually, you need to have a perfect idea and you need to put a lot of effort inside that idea. And you need to think like what exactly can that, how exactly will that idea play an impact, give an impact on our society. So you need to think on those kind of factors and yeah.
Okay.
lot
So
of factors.
a message for all the audience from your side. Like, for example, when we go in schools and colleges, so there's the case we need to have experience, we need to have formal education, and then only we can start off. So is that the case that when you get into school and when you started off, so how tough for you it was to start and scale up to a level of 40,000 downloads and all this? So how you started off and how it took place to this level as well?
So we started programming, and my dad also told, because you guys know programming, instead of just whiling away time by playing games, why don't you guys make games? So that really inspired me. And my mom also taught us story about the Wright brothers and stuff. So we got cooperation because of her. So
that's why we never fight.
Okay.
other than chocolates.
Other than chocolates, you don't fight. I'm sure that there will be a lot of people who give you chocolates after the session. So how you manage your personal life and your professional life, and if you have girlfriends as well, so how you manage all three? Look at him, Sanjay is shy. You have a girlfriend, that's why you're giving this expression. So how you balance the entire stuff? You've got so much of work pressure, so you enjoy or it's a pressure for you, so how you manage overall?
No, we enjoy most of the time, but we need to also do some work. So yeah, sometimes if we have a schedule that we need to put this app by then, we have a deadline or something.
Tomorrow or Monday, that's the case. So moving on, we have the open round for questions for all the audience. So from the audience side, questions, that's it.
Are you planning to launch apps on other platforms like BlackBerry and Windows?
Oh yeah, it's soon going to come out for the BlackBerry, Android, and almost most of the platforms. So we're just learning all the languages, and soon it's going to come out.
And how do you balance between your studies and this making apps?
As we said, after we come back home, 4 o'clock we start studying.
And we study for about 2 hours, and then after that we do this for about 1 to 2 hours.
When you had the app ready, then how did you enterprise it with the companies and dealt with them?
I didn't get your question.
I'm asking that when you had developed your first app, how did you advertise and approach the companies for your application?
We actually didn't approach any company and stuff like that. We just went and we told our friends to download the app, and that's it.
First of all, congratulations. Your stuff is really cool. And I'm really inspired, and I feel like I should also do something like this. And on second, I want to ask how you guys are earning your money.
Good question.
Yeah, so we have.
So you're trying to create value or money? It's not about value, right? Not money.
In our app, we have a little bit space for ads. So like Apple handles all of that. So like we just get some revenue if a person clicks or something like that.
So we actually now have $125, and once you get 150, Apple gives you your money. So once we get that 150, we're going to go to charity.
Okay, so do you have any people like working for you apart from you two? With marketing or anything else like that?
No, it's just our dad who's the chairman and our mom who's the inspector.
Family-owned business. It's a family-owned business basically.
Yeah, but we are all dad funded.
Dad funded.
Yeah, we're dad funded.
Next question.
Actually, I was about to ask the same question, that how you are earning money when you were saying that. So just one more question. I have an Android phone, so just between this period, I was wondering how to develop apps on Android. So if you have developed apps on multiple platforms, so which platform you find the most difficult to develop apps?
It's more of Windows platform and like BlackBerry platform is one of the toughest.
Yeah, we're more into like
Mobile, so
we're mobile.
and mostly in iOS. So
Yeah, mostly-
iOS and Android is our main.
Yeah, that's easy.
Do not get into trade secrets.
Last question. This second.
Yeah, so hi, congratulations, and I'd just like to know who handles the legalities of your company. Means you are having an app on Olympics, right? So
Yeah.
you might be having some legal something on that. There might be some legal issues with things that should be handled.
They've changed it already. His father changed it already.
Yeah, we actually changed it because Apple rejected. I mean, they told us like you're not supposed to put anything in the Olympics.
So that's why we had to rename our thing from Olympic Thief to Game Thief. Otherwise, it was supposed to release while the Olympics were there. But one more problem, we had exams at that time.
So mom.
Last question this side. So we close the session, and it was a pleasure having you on stage in chat. And I'm sure that all of you wish luck for your future application, for your future, and how you raise the capital, you'll make more application, and you work for the betterment of the country. So we have the token of appreciation for you, and one more round of applause for all of you.